Hi guys, I'm C2 from uklocksport.co.uk, and this is a video of single pin picking a REECE safety padlock. It's all solid brass including the shackle. Picked one of these before and it was at work. Had no working keys for the lock at work. This one does have working keys. Sent to me by fantastic Rick Wales. That's the bitting. Hope you can see that. These REECE safety locks actually open both ways. So normal way to open a padlock, right side, open. Can also click left. Sorry, my throat is still bad again. It's locked up. Let's see if we can get it open. Tension wrench in the bottom. Start at the back, work to the front. Fireworks going off everywhere outside as well. Some nice little clips on this. It's picked. Does open a bit quicker. So that's the REECE 30mm padlock single pin picked. So if you are newbies to Locksport guys, why not come visit us at www.uklocksport.co.uk. Thanks for watching, happy picking, and please keep it legal.